This is the DOD FX80-B Compressor Sustainer. This compressor is a pretty straightforward unit, as you can see by the controls. Here is the level, the release, and the compression itself. In around 1987 this was changed. Before that it used to say attack. How does it sound? Let's find out right now. The amp is a Fender Super 210 all tube. The guitar is a Fender Standard Telecaster from the year 2007. As if that makes any difference. One thing you will notice about these old DOD pedals is that they use this power lead plug. Looks a bit strange. It's like a mono Walkman jack. That's the way they made them back then. Okay, everything is set to 12 o'clock. This is the clean signal. That's the bridge pickup on the telly, by the way. This is with the FX80. Let's play a little bit of lead. Let's increase the compression. It's quite rubbery. See, without. Okay, some chords. Let's take it up full. Take it off. Does kill the tone. Well, that's what it's kind of even things out, doesn't it? Knock this back. Rich for bar chords. Definitely adds a kind of a yeah, it's not bad. I'll just add some reverb. A compressor is not something you can it's not like overdrive or chorus or stuff like that. It's you got to play around with it for a good bit before you can decide whether you like it or not. bad, I like it. It's a nice little box. And let's just try to bridge. Take it off. Nah, it's better with it, even though it does definitely kill off some of the high end.